So when somebody calls and is asking about should they convert to tankless, I normally will ask them, well, what are your reasons for converting to tankless? If it's for saving money, generally I will tell them that, whatever money that you would save each month, you're probably going to have to put that toward descaling the heater every year. So savings in that regard is not worthwhile. If this is about a space savings, they're trying to get rid of the 250-gallon gas water heaters. They're big and bulky in their garage, so they can have some place to store more things, then yeah, that is a consideration for changing to a tankless. If it is for instant hot water, I would tell them, listen, I can get you instant hot water by just adding a circulation pump to your existing water heater versus putting in a whole new tankless unit, which would be much more costly. So you just have to weigh the pros and cons as to what makes sense to you. Generally, whenever you are changing from tanks to tankless, you have a lot of upgrades that cost additional money, like gas upgrades, venting upgrades, and high efficiency water heaters. You have condensation upgrades, hanging the water heater. There's any of a multitude of things that can run the price up, in which case a lot of times I just don't see the value in it. But we will absolutely do whatever you would want us to do, install any type of heater you want, but we also want to arm you with some facts so that you make the best decision for you and your family. At the end of the day, that's really what we're here for.